the time, still I'm in my prime. Couple new blessings every time we pray. Couple new blessings every time.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm coming to you with another video, okay? And I know I'm in my bedroom right now, but I had to do my intro in here. The background was just like giving me life, you know what I mean? So every now and then you have to go in your bedroom and do your intro. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling. Today's video, we're gonna be doing this look, okay? And you guys, this look was inspired by a YouTuber, okay? And her name is Taylor Made Jane, y'all. And this is what her look looked like. I don't know if y'all can see that, but her look was fire, you guys. Her look was really bomb. I changed a couple things to fit the way I like my eyeshadow and stuff, but her look was fire, and I was like, oh my god, I have to recreate this. So shout out to her. Okay, her looks are fire. I'm sure you guys are already subscribed to her channel, but yes, you guys, so today we're gonna be doing this look. Very summer, spring, you guys. It is officially springtime, so I'm so excited. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling and we're just gonna get right into this look, okay? The ColourPop concealer, and this one is super light. It's like one of those I think it's one of the fair shades. Not sure exactly which one. I just picked up one that was like super light so that when I do colored eyeshadows they pop more. So yeah, I'm just blending that out really good because I'm not going to be setting it with a setting powder. So you want to make sure that you blend out all the creases and whatever. And now I'm just going to place some tape just so that my lines can be extra sharp. I love doing sharp edges like this. So you guys, I hope this is easier for you guys to see now that I'm putting the palettes and circling the shades that I'm using versus me like trying to put the palette in the screen, me holding it. So I hope this is better for you guys. But I'm taking this, it's like a purpley, like a deep purple blue shade, and I'm packing that into the crease, and I'm dragging it all the way to the tape. This is going to be a cut crease look, so yeah, I just wanted something that was going to be really dramatic, so I went with like a dark purple blue. And now I'm blending that out using this fuchsia color. I almost wish I would have brought that purple down a little bit more into my crease, not so high, so that I could have like a little bit more room for the colors to be seen, but it was fine. It was actually pretty fine. And now I'm going in with the orange shade above that. This is more like a sunset vibe, like y'all know those pretty sunsets where it's like orange, pink, and blue, and you know, purple and stuff like that. Now I decided to go back in with the fuchsia color because I kind of lost it when I placed the orange down. So I'm just going back and forth with those shades. You know, you can do this however you would like. It's all about your preference. So now I'm placing that same concealer, and as you guys saw, I looked up because I have hooded eyelids, and in order to pull off that more dramatic eyelid or give myself more eyelid space, I look up so I know where to stop. Like, I can't explain it. That's where my eyeshadow, that's where I want it to stop. So I look up so you guys will be able to see it. Y'all, this is really hard to explain, but when you have smaller eyelids, you have to do this in order for your eyeshadow to be seen. So I'm basically just giving myself a bigger eyelid by doing that. But the easiest way to do it is by looking up so I know where to stop it and where to start it. That's a mouthful. So now I'm taking that dark blue shade, and that is in the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. The other shades are in the Morphe 35B palette. Yeah, so this is an ombre lid. So now I'm taking that, it's like a turquoise sky blue shade, shimmer, and I'm placing that in the middle. And then I'm taking this lime green shade in the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm putting that right in the front, towards the inner corner. Y'all, this look came out So good. Like, I am so proud of this look. Now I'm going in with some liner. I didn't want to do too dramatic of a line, just something small just to hide my lash band for when I put my lashes on. So now I'm going to apply some mascara to my top lashes, and then we're going to go ahead and get into the face portion. I did not do my foundation on camera for some reason. I don't know what happened. So now we're just going to jump straight into contouring. I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hils foundation stick, and this is in the shade Truffle. And I just use this to contour. I love using a foundation stick to contour. It just blends so much better than like trying to use like a contour product, if you know what I mean. So I just make sure I blend that out, and then I highlight next. Okay, so for me, I prefer to contour my face first and then highlight versus highlighting and then contouring, because sometimes when you highlight first and then you contour, the contour can overlap and overpower the highlight. It kind of like covers it up. So I'd rather my highlight be seen more than my contour. So that's what I do. But of course you can do it however you want. You can highlight your face first and then contour, or you can do it the way I do it. So now I am highlighting my face using the ColourPop concealer, and this one is the medium dark 36 shade, I think. Of course the products will be in the description box in case I'm telling y'all the wrong thing. I am blending this out with a beauty blender, and the beauty blender is clean, but it kind of sat while I was doing everything else, so it wasn't damp anymore. So I used my, what is that water called? I think it's Evian. My Evian water spray, facial spray. And I just, you know, wet it a little bit just so it could be a little damp. And I'm just blending out my concealer, of course, on my forehead, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose. I don't place it on my chin because, as you can see, I already have a prominent chin. She already sticks out, okay? Everybody can see her, so you know, we're not gonna give her any more attention than she already has. So yeah. Now to set under my eyes, I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder and the bridge of my nose. But to set everything else, I'm using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. It is closer to my skin complexion. Like when I blend it out, it's like very yellow. So I prefer that for the rest of my face. And just like the lighter translucent powder for under my eyes and my nose. Now to set my contour, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix powder in the shade NW45. This is a really nice shade. It's like super bronzy, y'all. I almost like to look like a Oompa Loompa, okay? I'm loving the summer orange vibe. I don't want to look orange, but y'all know what I mean. I like looking tan, so. And then I use the MAC Mineralize Skin Finish as well, but that went by really fast. So now I'm using this LA Girls blush, and this is in the shade Nude. It's so pretty and sparkly and pink. Y'all, it's so pretty. And now I'm just going to be highlighting using this LA Colors highlighter. Can you believe that I actually found this as a Dollar Tree? Y'all, I was shook when I got home and used this for the first time. I've had this for about a year now, a year or two, to be honest. But I don't use it that often, so that's why I still have it. I'm just gonna give myself a little bit of highlight. You know, summertime, so we want to look glowy and stuff. So now I'm going to be putting some white gel liner on my waterline. You can either use a white pencil for this or do what I'm doing. I prefer to do it this way. It stays longer and it's more opaque looking, if you ask me, versus using like a pencil. But then again, you can use the NYX jumbo pencil in the shade Milk. And then I'm taking this flat brush, really skinny, and I'm taking that purpley blue shade that I used in my crease, and I'm placing that right underneath my waterline. Okay, like I'm basically trying to make it look like the white is a part of my eye and that this is my waterline, the purple is, but y'all can see what I'm doing. Now I'm taking this fuchsia shade and I'm blending out that purple a little bit. I just wanted to bring some lightness under my eyes. I didn't want to just leave the purple, so I decided to use the pink. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place some inner corner eyeshadow, of course, because this would not be a Makaya look. Of course, I always say it, if I don't have inner corner highlight, it's just not a look of mine. So I decided to go in with yellow since I used the green on closer to the inner corner, so I decided to use yellow. So pretty, so colorful, so pretty. And now I'm using some mascara for my lower lashes, and then I'm gonna be applying my lashes, my falsies off, I was about to say offline, y'all, off camera. I don't know how to apply, like I can do it on camera, but I'd rather not. So now, of course, I'm going in with my favorite lip liner. This is the Ruby Kisses lip liner in the shade Coco. Ruby Kisses really needs to go ahead and sponsor your girl, you know, because I shout them out in every video, okay? Every time I put my lip on, I'm always using their stuff, so they may as well sponsor me, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, now I'm using the Anastasia liquid lipstick in the shade Crush. This is like a really pretty nude for women of color. Like, it's just so pretty. I actually love this shade. It's my newest Anastasia liquid lipstick, so I've been using it a lot lately. Then I like to go back in with my lip liner just to clean it up a little bit. And now I'm using my favorite matte gloss. This is Dress to Dazzle lip gloss. Yeah, it's Dress to Dazzle. So pretty, so sparkly, and just the perfect lip topper. Y'all, look at my eyes. Oh my god, I did so good. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave any comments that you have down below. Also, don't forget that the makeup products are always in the description box, you guys. I was about to say link in my bio, but I forgot there is no bio. So yeah, the description box. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this look, I hope you guys recreate it. Tag her, tag me, tag whoever. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.